Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm gonna actually test out the drinks just one-on-one with you guys to let you know exactly what I think. So I got one of our energy drinks here. The second batch of samples just came in. I just got back from Costa Rica. So I'm gonna try this on my own, and I'm gonna give you guys an update throughout the day of how I feel in terms of energy. We kind of packed a lot of caffeine in here, but we made it subtle because there's only a couple ingredients. Again, this will probably be one of the healthiest energy drinks on the market, if not the healthiest, because there's really only 4 ingredients. It's really simple, straight to the point, and not full of any bullshit. So I don't have a bottle opener, but I'm gonna open this up. And again, I opened it with a spoon. And then another disclaimer on this is that this is not obviously what the can is gonna look like or any branding. This is from the test group that makes our products. So this is how they send it, but it still has the full dosage. So we're gonna get into it. Again, you could see like the natural sediment of the juice and everything like that in here. That's because it's only natural stuff. So this flavor I'm working on right here is orange. Okay, one of our flavors. We only have three flavors right now. This one is orange. Okay. So cheers. I'm gonna let you guys know, but I think this is the second taste test. Okay, not bad. Honestly, it's extremely light, and there's not enough carbonation, I don't think, but this could be due to the fact that it's bottled in this and like a test group, and this isn't like an actual manufacturer. Like you can sell these, right? Because this is like a small batch that they did themselves. So I don't think a lot of the same properties are going to translate to the can, which is kind of an issue. So this one feels a little too flat. Like it feels like I'm drinking water with orange juice in it, which isn't necessarily ideal. I like a little more carbonation, and I'd like a little more like oomph in this drink. So right now, this one for me is about like a 6 out of 10. I feel like we could get a lot more flavor out of it, maybe a lot more juice content. So yeah, I don't really know. But the good thing about this is it's packing a lot of caffeine. So what I want to do is I'm going to drink this whole thing. And I want to give you guys an update later this afternoon to see how I feel, because all I had this morning was a cup of coffee, and I'm a huge caffeine guy. So this should get me through the rest of the day. It's pretty early. It's only like 8 a.m. But I want to see how long this lasts. And, you know, some of the other ingredients that we put in here, like I said, there's like 4 or 5. One's caffeine. Another one is this nootropic called L-theanine or L-theanine. I don't really know how to say it. And that's more of a nootropic. It helps you focus and everything like that. So that's what our product's really all about. So hopefully it helps me get through my workday. So I'm going to finish this up and let you guys know what the results are.
Where you been lately? I've been sailing through the highs. Just to get me up to swap party through the night. Now I don't wanna come down. I'll just live in life.
All right, now that I drink that, let's get more productive. I'm going to go start my workday. I have a bunch of meetings today. Got the team coming over. I have an in-person client meeting that I'm probably not going to be able to show you guys. Got a client coming down just to meet me. They want to focus on a big project, and super excited about that. I can't take you guys along to that because that's confidential. Me and him at a restaurant. We're going to shoot the shit, see if I can work on this project for him and it makes sense. But anyways, I'll keep you guys updated on the day. Thanks for watching this one. And again, this is kind of, like I said, an in-between series, okay? In between, like this isn't a full episode. I just wanted to keep you guys updated on what we're doing next, because really the next episode in this whole thing is going to be the branding, the logo creation, all that kind of stuff, which is a lot. And I've hired someone specifically for that, and it's going to take a minute. It's going to be a long-term project, but I'm going to keep you guys posted on that, how everything's going, and keep you guys updated on the launch day of this. So thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next part here in a second. What's up, guys? Just a quick update on how I'm feeling so far. So quick, like hour, 2 hours into my workday. And I'm absolutely ripping right now. The energy feels great, feels clean. Don't have any weird side effects like jitters or anything like that. So I'm gonna keep you guys updated as I continue to work today. But so far so good. Like, really love the effects. Obviously the taste needed some enhancements, but we'll get to that at a different point. But so far the product tastes really good, comparatively, because it's, you know, full of like no bullshit or anything like that. And the energy levels are top notch. So I'm feeling great, and I'll keep you guys posted. All right, guys, what's going on? So I'm drinking the second energy drink here, and I forgot to do my little recap of how the workday went after I actually drank this. So I'm drinking another one now. I'm about to give you guys my reaction to how the rest of the workday went. I've only had like a half cup of coffee, so I haven't had enough caffeine today. So hopefully after I'm done with this, I can give you guys updates. So stay tuned.
All right, guys. First of all, don't be scared of the drip. All right. Second of all, just playing. Second of all, I had to crack open another one of these energy drinks that I can't tell you the name about because I keep having too much work to kind of give you guys an update. So again, I'm gonna drink this one. This is the third time around, and I'm gonna give you another update. I want it to be genuine, like I had a lot of energy, but I want to do it like at the very end of the workday when I am usually really tired, just to give you guys an update there. But stay tuned. We'll give you the update again. Third time's charm.
I was really ballin', watch me all in with the faucet. Ooh, drip hard, no, I drip harder. I was background, old school, listen, Dwayne Carter.
All right, guys, what's going on? So final update. I feel really good with the energy drink so far. A couple things that I don't like. We're still trying to work on the carbonation. We're wondering if that's a sampling issue or if that's gonna translate over when we actually do manufacturing. So hopefully not. So trying to get that figured out, trying to get our ducks in a row there. In terms of energy levels, totally great today. Got through a very, very heavy meeting focused day. So I had like 12 or 14 meetings, which is crazy. But energy drink helped me get through those. I only had 1 cup of coffee in the morning and then the energy drink. So feel great. Obviously, when I go back and I edit this video and I look at some of the things, I might try some other flavors. You guys probably might see that in this episode. And again, this is more of an in-between episode, and then I'm super, super excited because I got some awesome details to show you guys in the next video where I'm gonna get started on the branding. So super, super pumped about that. But all in all, that's the way this is going. I'm really excited. It's been taking way longer than expected. I know I haven't been uploading that many videos, but stay tuned and I'll catch you guys in the next episode. So let me know if you guys need anything in the comments below or have any questions. I'd be happy to answer them. Cheers.
Summertime, I'm in LA. Life's great, can't complain. I'm getting paid. Honey's all at the beach, like, are you on your way?